Hi and welcome to Easy Graphics. Maybe you were like me, a new entrepreneur starting a brand new business, feeling excited and nervous at the same time. You've got a great business idea that you want to showcase to customers or clients, but you're worried about how you'll be perceived, especially when you're just starting out. Having even a basic logo or banner art to your social media accounts can give the perception that your business is well established and recognizable. But you know that getting graphic designs can be expensive, and there's no guarantee that your new business or side hustle will take off. I get it. We're trying to build a brand new business. Budget is extremely tight, possibly even non-existent. You might be working a full-time job and trying to start a part-time hustle at the same time. As a brand new business, we're swimming against the tide, and quite often potential clients or customers will perceive a new business as unproven. A bit of a gamble, really. That's why I created this channel, to share what I have learned and what I continue to discover about creating basic graphic designs that new businesses can use as part of their brand, social media art, logo, merchandise, and so much more. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.